Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a video about how to get your quadratic anthem. Yeah, so quadratic anthem may seem like a difficult thing, but it's actually quite easy. Like you just need to know the concept and the way you do it. Yeah, so first thing I have to tell you is that how do you form a quadratic? A quadratic usually looks like this: an squared plus bn plus c. Okay, so this would be a quadratic. Okay, yeah. So next thing would be, how do you determine whether this pattern is a quadratic or linear? Okay, so or maybe a cubic. So here you have a pattern here. So you get you need to minus 12 minus 5, and you'll get 7, and 25 minus 12 you get 13, and 44 minus 25 and you get 19. So here you see that it is not a linear. If it's a linear, it will be a plus 5, plus 5, and plus 5. Okay, so now what you do next is that you minus 13 minus 12, 7, and 19 minus 13, and you get 6. 13 minus 7, you get 6. So now you have to determine that this is a quadratic. Oh, sorry, quadratic here. Okay, so what's the next step? So next step would be, you have to write down this a plus b plus c. You get, and you write down first term, which is 5. Okay, this is the way you do it. So you just have to follow it. So what the next step would be, 4a plus 2b plus c equals to 12, which is the second term here. Okay, now your third thing you have to write is 9a plus 3b. See? B, 2b, and 3b. But your c remains constant. And you write a third term here, 25. Okay? So now you label your equations. First equation, second equation, and third equation. So yeah, if those of you who don't know how to do the simultaneous elimination or substitution thing, yeah, so I'll be making a video on that later, but yeah, just bear with me for now. So how you do this is that you take the third equation, which is no, I mean your second equation, you minus your first equation. So how you eliminate it is that 4a minus a, what we get, you get 3a, right? So 2b minus b, what we get, you get b. So c minus c, you get 0, so you won't write anything here. So 12 minus 5, what we get? Okay, let's just cover this. So 12 minus 5, what we get? 7, right? Yeah, 7. So what you do next is that you take your third equation and you eliminate your second equation. So now I'll just cover this. So 9a minus 4a, you'll get 5a, plus 3b minus 2b, you get b. C minus c, you get 0, and 25 minus 12, you get 19. No, I mean 13. I'm sorry. Miscalculation. Yeah. So what's next is that you label this as the fourth equation and this as the fifth equation. After this, you have to eliminate the fifth and the fourth. Now 5a minus 3a, what will we get? 2a, right? So b minus b, you get 0. So 13 minus 7, instead you get 6. So a equals to 6 over 2, which is equals to 3, right? So when you get your a, you can just sub in your a into 3a plus b equals 7. So 3 times 3 plus b equals 7. 3 times 3 equals 9 plus b equals 7, right? So your b will be equals to negative 2, right? I'm sorry, the camera was a bit off. Yeah. So 3 times 3 equals 9 plus b equals 7. So 9 plus b equals 7. B would be equals to 7 minus 9, which is equals to negative 2. Okay, so now you have gotten your A and your B. How do you get your C? Okay, so to get your C, we have to look up to this. A plus B plus C equals 5. Now, I'll just write down it here. a plus b plus c equals to 5. Okay, so now you've got a b equals negative 2 and your a equals 3. How do you find your c? Just sub it in, right? So your a will equals to 3, b equals negative 2, plus c equals to 5. So here you get 1 plus c equals to 5. The c equals to 4, right? Okay, now that you have got your a, b, and c, let's look at this again. This is a quadratic. A n squared plus b n plus c. Now I'll rewrite it here. A n squared plus b n plus c. Okay, so what's the next step? You just sub in your a, which is 3 n squared plus b, which is negative 2. So just remove that plus, I'm sorry. 2 and plus c, which is 4. So your n term would be 3n squared minus 2n plus 4. Now for more videos on how to do mathematical equations like the n term or something, or whatever things that you'll be learning in your form 4 syllabus, and yeah, or maybe your form 3 syllabus, yeah, you can just comment in the section below, and be sure to subscribe to watch my latest videos about some MX questions, or maybe some chemistry questions where I'll teach how you guys can solve it. So yeah, thank you. See you guys soon.